they hang upside down. Oh my goodness.
Look over here.
Come and see him. Hi. Hi.